Hi lovelies, welcome back to my space. Let's make this delicious chin chin. First of all, I'll be using 7 cups of all-purpose flour. You have to sieve your flour. See why you have to sieve it, because there are some dirty in it. And I'll be using 1.5 cup of sugar. This is 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So this is me. You mix up all the powdered ingredients very well so that they will rhyme with each other. After that, you add your butter. After adding your butter, you will mix it again so the butter will marry each other with the flour, right? So I'll be using 4 raw eggs. I'll add my egg. I'm not using. Before I forgot, I added 3 sachets of picnic and 1 tablespoon of nutmeg powder. So I will not be using liquid milk. That's why I remembered. So after adding your egg, you mix it very well. You continue adding water little by little to get the texture you want. So this is when you need the consistency. Like, this is when you have to show your power. If you have strength, if you have power, this is the time to show it, because you will have to mix it very well with your hand, with your strong hand. You see all those people you have been eating, this is time to show it. So as I was doing it, this that bowl does not give me the space I need. So I have to bring it up on this desk. So mind you that looking at it, you will feel like it's too soft. I have to add more flour just to get this particular texture. You didn't see after everything. After all the fight, all the struggle, this is what I got. At this point, my dough is like is very okay. Is strong, it's not that soft. So the next thing is to start cutting. When you get this type of cut, just know that you get the perfect dough for your chin chin. So before cutting, you add some flour on your desk and start pressing it to make the design you want. So I do not have a chin chin cutter. I'll be using my knife, my kitchen knife, for this cutting. So after everything, I got the perfect size that I would need. And in fact, when you keep trying things, I know you will get it right. Making this chin chin, this is like the 4th or the 5th time I'm making chin chin, and each time I do it, I get it perfectly. So this is my first frying. You can see how good it looks. As I was frying, I continued cutting the other ones because I divided it into 5 places. I cannot cut everything at once. So when you're making your own chin chin, like use your measurements very well and know what you want. Everybody know what they want whenever they are trying to make things. I have to give me credit on this video because I'm just teaching you this free of charge. If you are trying to learn, I'm teaching you this free of charge. After the first frying, this is my second frying. I have to show you when I'm pouring the chin chin in it. It might gum together, but don't panic. It will separate by itself. All you just need is to have a good oil. In all my productions, I use King's oil because that oil is very good. It doesn't dry on time and it will give you a very sweet taste even if you use it for the second time. So this is my third frying. I'm just showing you these processes because you need to see it, and I know you are learning from it. So consistency is the key. Whenever you want to try to make something, when you do the first one, even if you fail, don't get tired of doing another one, like trying again. So this is what I got after everything. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it interesting, please share this video.